We're going to compare this to a cordless drill attachment riveter. And I think the results speak for themselves. What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys an awesome cordless drill attachment that allows you to install pop rivets super fast and easy. We're also going to compare it with my handheld old school pop rivet gun. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I've recently had a job where I had to replace about 1,000 or 1,500 pop rivets, and I was really worried about going through trying to do it all manually by hand using my handheld pop rivet gun. This one here is awesome. However, if I did do it manually, I would have looked like Popeye by the end of the job. So what I decided to do was look for a cordless version, and to my surprise, they're about $600–700 for a cordless pop rivet gun. So what I found instead was this little alternative here from Kincrome. It's an attachment that goes onto your regular drill driver and allows you to install pop rivets so easy and so fast. So I thought I'd quickly show you guys an alternative to using a handheld one and also to using a cordless version. This one here was about $120 compared to $600–700, so I saved a lot of money and got through the job nice and easy. So for those of you who aren't aware what a pop rivet is, this here is a pop rivet, and what it's designed to do is basically attach two pieces of thin metal together. And the way it does this is we first initially drill a hole through the two pieces of metal, we insert the pop rivet, and as that pop rivet starts to fasten, it'll actually clamp these two pieces here together, creating a nice little sandwich and a nice little fixing. So the first thing we need to do is drill some holes into both materials so that we can insert our pop rivet. So I've got all my holes drilled. I'm going to place this one right in front of you guys so you can actually watch it clamp in action. We've got our two pieces here that we need to clamp together. The holes being drilled from one side to the other so that we can pass our little pop rivet straight through. We're going to start off with our actual gun. So the manual, cheaper option, simply slide it through the two pieces and then we clamp it together. Now you'll notice that we do have to actually pump it a few times, and you can watch it there mushroom. You can see that back section there is starting to mushroom. As it gets closer to the metal, that'll pop, and now we've got these two pieces here sandwiched together. We remove that shaft, and it's not a bad process, but when you're doing a large volume or about 1,000 like I had a couple of weeks ago, this is just going to simply take too long. So I'll show you guys just how quick it is to use our little attachment here. So now we can take the pop rivet drill attachment. We'll tighten this one here on our drill. We can take our pop rivet, simply put the shaft in exactly as we did with our manual version. We drop that one there straight into the hole once again. And all we need to do now is just simply hold on to this section here, put the drill in forward and simply clamp it on. You can see just how much quicker that is. Nice and simple. We're going to reverse this shaft back out now. We put the drill in reverse. Once again, hold it. And that little piece there will simply come out. Nice and simple. We'll compare it once again with the hand one. Now that I got you guys at a bit of a distance, I'll try to do it as quick as I can. Alright, so that's one compared to using our little drill attachment. That is so much easier and faster. If it wasn't for this little attachment here, there's no way I would have got that whole job done without looking like Popeye. Nice and simple. Once again, these little attachments here, or the nozzles, they can be swapped around to accommodate for different size pop rivets. But this here is a nice simple way to get your pop rivets all installed for a cheap price. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. The links will be in the description in case anybody's interested. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.